Hello and welcome. This episode I'm gonna show you in this video how to make AFS test, automatic flight test, automatic flight system test, okay, for A320, okay, Airbus 320. Okay, let's make sure that FMGC1, FAC1 circuit breakers are in, FMGC2, FAC2 all in. So let's check it out here. MCDU menu, CFDS, system test, AFS, AFS test, waiting. "40 seconds. Test is running. Okay, test pass. Thank you, FAC1, FAC2, FMGC1, FMGC2. That concludes the AFS test, automatic flight system test. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.